Hello, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to navigate some key services for the California State University San Marcos University Library's website. To get to this landing page, you'll first want to enter biblio.csusm.edu. You'll see that web address right here on the top. Once you land on this page, the first thing that I want to direct you to is our Ask Us. And this will take you to different options on how to contact library staff or librarians. The first option that you have is the chat button. By clicking on the research help, it'll let you chat with the librarian. And for any general questions that you might have, you can select library services help. You can also choose to email, phone, and text. The second feature I would like to point out is virtual services offered through COVID. When you click on this little banner here, it'll take you to our University Library COVID-19 resources. So you'll have information on how to contact us, online materials and tools here on the right-hand side, information about physical materials, and of course, our hours. So I'm going to scroll back up and we're going to go back to the main page. Another thing I would like to point out is our spotlight. So what our spotlight is you see images here highlighting different things that are going on with the library. So for example, we have information on the coronavirus. We have our project Together Apart, how to access free books and support of Black Lives Matter. And you could just scroll down through the list. You can either click on the image or click on any of these links here. So for example, this is 2020 Campus Come and Read information. I click on that and it'll take you to this page giving you information on upcoming events as well as how to register for them. So this is the last event that they had, so we can disregard that one. The next one that's coming up is November 5th. So we're going to go back to the main page. You're just going to click on the left-hand side of the box here where it says California State University San Marcos. Click on that and it'll take you right back to the main page. If you are looking to find a book or an article, this is where you search for it. And the last thing that we'll review is how to find who your librarian, your subject librarian is. So on the top right hand side, you'll see different options such as search, services, research help, what's happening, and about. To get a list of your librarians, you'll click under that little caret and it'll have a drop down menu and you will select Find Your Librarian. And as you scroll down, you'll see the librarian's contact information. So for example, if you are in accounting and you need some help, you would contact Judy Opdahl. It has her contact information, her email, what she covers. She's our business and economics librarian, the phone number where she can be reached, and she is stating here that she's available virtually. So you can just scroll all the way down to look for the subject librarian that you're looking for. So we're going to go ahead and scroll back up. And then we're going to go back. If you scroll down the page, you'll find information on the library itself, the address, the phone number, and our social media links where you can find updated information via Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And those are some key features at the California State University San Marcos University Library's website some services that we offer during COVID.